Okay, good afternoon, everyone. So, in this opportunity, we like to discuss or show our product or our implementation of our writing skills into design in Canva. So, we talk about disagreement implementation of full day school in junior high school.
Okay.
Let's see our product.
Walaupun saja bila harus menangis.
Okay. So we decide to choose this agreement about implementation of full day school in junior high school because for some reason, and we divided it into 4 topics.
Okay, the first topic is unhealthy eating and sleep habits. So, if you choose full day school, school starts too early and finish too late. So many children skip their breakfast and they don't eat healthy food and don't get enough sleep. But I think children need boci. What is the meaning boci? Boci is bobo ciang. Jadi kalau misalkan sekolahnya full day, they don't get enough sleep, and this makes them feel sleepy in the class and tired and hard to focus. And the second is higher rates of illness. Not eating and sleeping properly makes children letoy. Bener-bener lemes banget ya, because full day. They can get sick more often, like paling mudahnya adalah bapil. What is the meaning bapil? Mama in Indonesia often say bapil, batuk pilek, are stomach problems and possible to have serious health problems like obesity or high cholesterol.
And so, the third reason why it may harm more than help because it can increase stress and mental strain. Studying all day long and doing homework and sometimes doing a test can make children very tired. When it's mean very exhausted and very dizzy. So they also don't have time to take rest well and don't have time to play with others. So it can lead to depression and it can make children to bad behavior. For example, they will feel like to skipping going to school. And the last reason, it's not guarantee of better grades. Even though students in Indonesia study for many hours, their test scores are still lower than students in countries like Singapore, which is in Singapore school hours are shorter, but it's more effective. So overall, we don't agree with implementation of full day school, especially in junior high school, because it's for our main reason, and also we have some quotes. Kita mengutip satu kata-kata dari influencer, as you know, as Om Deddy Corbuzier. He said have a long text, but the point is, he said jangan anak-anak suruh gitu. It's called penyiksaan anak-anak. Anak-anak itu harus bermain dan bersosialisasi. So with this statement, we more agree to refuse or disagreement with implementation full day school in junior high school.
So children must to life balance. Children must to playing and studying. Life balance.
But maybe we can agree with this implementation for some reason. Just in case our government our regulation or our school system studies is better. For example, we ambil contoh China or others country that more bagus sistem pembelajarannya to be a role model in Indonesia country. So ya, the first dasar itu perbaiki dulu sistem di sekolahnya.
Okay, that's good.
Karena kalau udah begitu, kita yakin it will good for implemented full day school.
Okay.
So, and next to our design. So during our progress design, our implementation of our writing skills, we add some text, picture, and audio. So we will bedah di sini.
Okay. First, the color we choose pink. Why we choose pink? Because pink can also give a calming and create a bright and cheerful atmosphere. Even though pink is cheerful atmosphere, but we want to represent love and affection that children want. That children need is the love and affection.
Especially previous we like color blue, but yeah, I think blue is not proper for this design. And also we add some background. As you can see, here's some like book, yeah, book. We put
Many
books in the background to more make our design more alive and more proper to school.
Yeah.
Okay, like that. Oh yeah, and also we of course insert some picture for each topic for represent each topic. So we have some 4 picture and maybe the 5 pictures. So yeah, we put these kids in first box because yeah. As you can see, this kid is smile. That means I want the kids eat with happy. Ya, dia tuh makan dengan ceria gitu. Seperti yang ada di gambar ini.
But nyatanya kalau misalkan anak-anak full day-nya sekolahnya full day, mereka hanya mendapatkan lelah dan malah jatuh sakit. And you can see the second picture, there is a girl. She wearing mask because she get batuk pilek.
And the third pictures we insert a kids feel dizzy. Yeah.
You can see the boy feel dizzy or puyeng. Puyeng is like very exhausted. You can see if misalkan lagi dimulai, nah itu udah kayak udah puyeng banget nih kalau full day. And
the next picture we add some grades and emoticon set, which represent our topic is not guarantee for better grades. So yeah.
Okay. You can see the center picture there is a boy wearing uniform SMP ya, kalau kita bilang junior high school. Identik banget seragam SMP di Indonesia adalah putih biru ya. And there is logo OSIS in the chest ya. Di dada sebelah kiri ada logonya. Dan you can see the eyebrow ngejurang. like mengerengut. What do you say? Ya, mengkerut. Nah, the A-word is mengkerut. Because very very tired. And there are enggak tegap, kayak bener-bener udah capek banget nih ya, full day.
And yeah, for the sources, all of this picture, our text and background we get from Canva. But except for this man in the center,
The boy.
we found it on the Google, but previously it's a real human, a real boy. So two more untuk lebih cocok sama desain ini, we use AI to make it like a cartoon. So and also firstly there's a background, and I also remove the background using AI also. And from that,
Okay.
what else?
Okay. The sound.
Yeah, so yeah, you can
Yeah.
you can
You can,
do first.
Yeah.
Dua sama saja bila harus indah.
The song is certainly very viral. Many children feel sadness when they listening this song. So because when listening this song, we feel sadness. We can also feel the fatigue of children if they go to school. They go to full day school.
Okay. What song is it? Can you mention?
Yeah, this is from the movie. The title is Jumbo. Yeah.
It's a viral with
One
cartoon
movie in
movies
Indonesia.
So previously we sangat sulit to find the perfect sound for this design, but finally we found this Jumbo sound and on TikTok, but we have some trouble to mendownloadnya gitu. So we try any website to download the song, but it's always fail. And we moved to YouTube to find it, and we searched in some website also to convert it into MP3, and finally we can download to MP3 format file.
Okay.
Yeah, like this.
We use the other language like English and Indonesian for to make easier understanding and more flexible to us. We don't want to our idea to stop. Jadi daripada kita memikirkan Englishnya apa, mendingan kita lanjut terus menggunakan other language.
So also we use some Indonesian language to get untuk membuat
Very helpful ya.
audiens tuh lebih masuk gitu ke desainnya.
Yeah.
Jadi audiens tuh lebih
Paham.
lebih paham untuk represent what we mean in this design, in this our writing.
Okay, finish.
And I think compared to traditional writing, this digital, when we use Canva or something, the technology, I think it's more fun, it's more exciting, we can explore more about our ideas, and we can also add some pictures to represent it. So I think it's more good than compared to traditional writing. And what do you think?
This is good, so okay, make our ideas to cooperative, and ide kita benar-benar kayak kebuka banget gitu ya, kayak semuanya masuk terus saling tukar pikiran ya.
Saya setuju. Karena ya dengan begini kita juga lebih more melek ya, more melek teknologi lah ya, more melek teknologi karena
Gagaptek, ya.
use our skill into technology.
Yeah,
So we can follow this era. Ya.
Okay, so we disagree. So pasti.
We happy to this to using this technology. I think it's enough
Yeah,
our session.
good.
Yeah, and thank you guys
Okay.
for your attention.
See you next time and bye bye.